Hello friends, good morning. In this video tutorial we'll learn CSS Border, how to use border in HTML document using CSS styling. First of all, let us keep h1 tag and delete all the content inside p tag. Now take a p tag Lauren 100. Give class to dotted but there is a shortcut p dot solid Lauren 100. Now how to style it? Let's see. Inside the CSS file, let's take h1 tag, border, style, solid. Say border style solid. Now define the border width 1 pixel. You will see the width of the border is decreased to 1 pixel. Border style, border top style, bottom style, left style. We can style it in that way. Top style, solid, bottom style, dotted, left style, dashed, right style, solid. See now, define the width 5 pixel. See, top, it is clear now. We can also change the color, border, color, red. See, the color has been changed to red, but we can define the color for each border: red, yellow, green, blue. See, every side has been changed with different colors. So this is the way of using border. Now let us use border in p tag, content in the p tag. So there are two p tag and with two class. Let's define this p tag, p dot solid. Just copy and paste it. See, it is changed. But there is a shortcut way of using border. Now see this. The shortcut is border. Define the width 2 pixel. Define where it is solid or dotted or dashed. Solid. Define the color red. Say 2 pixel solid red. But if we want to change the color of the border, in different colors and different different sides. In that case, we use border to pixel solid and border color we have to define in separate line. Border color red, yellow, green, blue. Now let us see it is changed the color of different sides with different colors. So this is the way of using border and border style, border colors. The shortcut is most of the time we will use border 1 pixel solid 1 pixel solid the color name. This is the conventional way of using border. P.solid border 1 pixel solid blue. What happened? Border P.solid border 2 pixel solid red. Let's write again P.solid. Oh, we need to close the curly braces. Now P.solid border 1 pixel solid blue. Now change say it is changed. Now if you want to change the color of different sides with different color, we can do that. We can do it accordingly. Border color red, yellow, blue, green. Say red, yellow, green. But we don't. If you want, if you just write 2 colors, in that case, top and bottom, left and right will be top and bottom one color, left and right another color. So we know how to use border and border color. Another one is border radius. We sometimes use border radius, and most of the time during making navigation menu we use border radius. Border radius 20 pixel. Let's see, there will be some radius 20 pixel. Let's define it in the header. Text align center. Text align center. Now define the border radius. Border radius 20 pixel. See border radius. If we use 50 pixel, what happened? Let's use 50%. This is the border radius. So we can use with pixel, with percentage, according to our requirements. Thank you very much. I hope you understand how to use border, border color, border style, border radius in this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my video and continue watching.